If you work with Lottie animations, you usually need a local server or online tools just to preview them. This free offline HTML template lets you preview, test, and capture Lottie JSON animations instantly, without running any server. This works for developers, beginners, motion designers, and video editors. You can use it to learn Lottie, test animations, preview After Effects exports, or capture animations for video. Let me show you how simple it is. Just open the HTML file in any editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code. Open your Lottie JSON file. Copy everything. And paste it right here. Save the file. Open it in your browser, and the animation plays instantly, completely offline. You can easily change the background color. White and black are perfect for preview and learning. Green is useful if you want to capture the animation and use chroma key in video editing. You can also control the size of the animation. This is helpful for testing how it will look on different screens or layouts. Developers can use this as an offline preview tool. Beginners can learn how Lottie animations work. Designers can test After Effects exports. And video editors can capture animations for overlays. You can download this template for free from CreativeAlys. The link is in the description.